Tapos may lakas, pwedeng kumpiyansa.
The same dead Pacquiao with the right straight in the fourth round. And international referee Carlos Sani Padilla, who made a name for himself when he was chosen to referee the famous
anak.
between Muhammad Ali and Joe Frazier, and one commendation for his handling of that fight contributed to the confusion.
Diyan na lang ikaw sa loob.
Pacquiao an unusually long count and delayed the resumption, giving Manny enough time to recover. Opened up a nasty cut across Hussain's cheek, and forcing ringside physician Dr. Nasser Cruz to advise Padilla to stop the fight. Hussain had employed dirty tactics using his elbows and head, enraging fans in the process, and Fenech complained about the actions of Padilla, but to no avail. When the end came in round 10, Pacquiao was comfortably ahead on the scorecards of all three judges. But the champion knew he had been in a fight.
19 victories without a defeat. 11 victories coming by way of knockout.
Ito na lang yung brum-brum mo na lang, nana ko. Ito yung karo. Hoy! Puro ka talaga kalokohan. Hindi ko nga magtanggal. Magaling ka talaga. Magaling talaga ikaw. Pagdating sa kalokohan, anak, no? Aba, ganyan pa yung mukha. Aba, lalapit ba kay mami? Aba. Yeah. Ay, hinawakan na ni Shanshan. Hinawakan na. Oops. De. Aray ko. Anak. Be. Hindi na kita bate. Oh, ano? Be.
Will there be time for Manny Pacquiao to recover? Oh, good right by the gun, Hussain. Backing up. Matigas sumuntong ito si Adel Hussain.
Oy! Kiss. Nakangapa. Kiss. Kiss. Ay, nakis yung camera. Ay, nakis. Aray ko. Ayun, ikaw na. Yeah. Be. Aray ko. Be. Aba. Huwag mo kagatin na.